Welcome to Salesforce's technical analysis. Salesforce is at an inflection zone. Watch how price reacts at key levels. The stock gained 4.3% today, and the 30-day trend suggests a downtrend. The price is above short and mid-term averages but remains below the long-term EMA 200, suggesting an early recovery that hasn't yet shifted the overall long-term trend. A symmetrical triangle breakout from $248.75 suggests a move toward $280.27. A potential midterm resistance is seen around $292.74, supported by a cluster of prior highs in this zone. Between the mid and long-term targets, a notable resistance may appear near $358.07, based on previous swing highs. If momentum continues beyond midterm resistance, a long-term extension points to a possible target around $365.62, based on a measured move from the last major dip to its previous peak. A rising trendline is supporting the current price structure. The price remains above this trendline near $230.95, suggesting that the upward momentum is still valid. A recent upward gap remains unfilled between $241.32 and $245.68, highlighting a zone of strong support. If the price pulls back to close this gap, it may temporarily drop by around 2.2% from current levels before rebounding. Short-term strength persists, but EMA 200 resistance holds. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI confirm the strength. A similar MACD cycle from February 7 to March 19 led to a price decrease of approximately 14.3%. Long-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price is testing resistance near the top of the short-term channel. Price is currently below the 78.6% retracement, which may act as near-term resistance. Short-term structure, price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price is testing resistance near the top of the short-term channel. Price is hovering near the 23.6% retracement, a level closely watched by many traders. Volatility is high based on ATR, while trading volume is above average compared to recent averages. The RSI is above its smoothed version. Current RSI is 52.7, while smoothed RSI is 47.9. There is no divergence between the price and RSI. Momentum is aligned with the trend, supporting the current price direction. Technical outlook for Salesforce, scored 8 out of 10, a strong setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is above EMA 9 and EMA 50, midterm uptrend intact. Closest EMA is EMA 50 at $247, currently acting as support. A rising support trendline near $231 is currently holding, reinforcing the upward momentum. A midterm target stands near $293, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $366. Between midterm and long-term levels, an important resistance appears around $358. This could act as an intermediate decision point before price reaches the long-term projection. Nearest Fibonacci level is $257, acting as resistance. Next Fibonacci level to watch is $226. Price is still moving inside the regression channel. Top news for Salesforce. News 1, Salesforce stock surges on long-term revenue forecast, via Schaefer's investment research, on 1H ago. News 2, Salesforce expands Google partnership, adds Gemini to Agentforce 360 CRM. Stock news, via Stock Titan, on 4H ago. News 3, Salesforce, CRM, rating reiterated with a $400 price target by N, via Guru Focus, on 3H ago. News 4, Salesforce forecasts stronger than expected revenue of over $60 billion in 2030, via Yahoo Finance, on 6H ago. News 5, Salesforce's, CRM, inventors' confidence shaken on lower growth guidance, via Yahoo Finance, on 3H ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Salesforce. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.